Navigating through life is much like journeying through a river's varying currents. There are moments of tranquility and periods of turbulence, yet the ceaseless flow remains ever present. In the domains of psychology and self-improvement, flow symbolizes a state of effortless synergy with our surroundings and tasks. It represents a harmonious alignment, a perfect synchronization of the mind with the activity at hand. When we engage with this intrinsic flow, life unfolds with a natural ease, streaming forward with a sense of effortless progression. Embarking on life's voyage without a defined destination is comparable to navigating the boundless seas without a compass. The vast expanse is filled with potential diversions and unforeseen tempests that can easily veer one off course. However, armed with the clarity of definitive goals, the journey's pathway becomes luminously marked, simplifying the navigation process. These goals, which typically emanate from the depths of one's passions and desires, act as guiding beacons. They ensure that despite life's inherent uncertainties, one can always rediscover their path. These objectives are more than mere success milestones. They stand as continual reminders of one's authentic purpose, linking every endeavor to a profound intent. It's crucial to appreciate that, although goals furnish us with direction, achieving a state of flow isn't about strictly adhering to a preordained route. It's rather about permitting oneself to be naturally and effortlessly attracted towards these objectives, whilst being wholly immersed in activities that resonate with one's ambitions. In this state, individuals access a wellspring of enthusiasm, concentration, and vitality. Flow transcends the conventional trajectory of accomplishing set milestones. It encompasses the delightful experience of the journey itself. Each stride taken towards one's aspirations not only propels them nearer to their dreams, but also enhances their engagement with the flow's intrinsic essence, enabling all aspects of their existence to unfurl with remarkable fluidity. In the tapestry of existence, where countless strands of thoughts, deeds, and diversions are woven together, the power of concentration acts as a magnetic force. This force guides one towards the radiant threads that lead to their most cherished dreams. Adopting this intense focus serves as a transformative prism, clarifying vague images and bringing the ethereal into the realm of reality. It is more than a mere narrowing of awareness. It is its refinement, purifying one's vision by filtering the superfluous, enabling a more profound appreciation of what is truly vital. This focus, devoid of distractions, aligns one's spirit with their deepest aspirations, ensuring that every thought and action is a step forward towards their objectives. Genuine focus is not enforced, but blossoms naturally when activities echo with one's core essence, turning every instance into a moment of mindful engagement. Such focus roots one firmly in the present, allowing the full breadth of the current moment to unveil its richness and potential. In this magical confluence, where concentrated attention meets dedicated intention, outcomes beyond one's wildest imaginations are birthed. Leonardo da Vinci's words resonate here, emphasizing that while human discernment might falter, true mastery demands an unwavering mind. A remarkable aspect of this potent focus is its regenerative nature. Immersion in activities that resonate with one's passion creates a self-sustaining cycle of flow. With time, this alignment with the flow intuitively brings forth a bounty of experiences, opportunities, and insights, embodying the idea that when one is truly absorbed in their journey, the universe orchestrates a harmonious dance to guide them onward. In the boundless ballet of existence, there unfolds a rare and exquisite moment where the dancer transcends to become the dance itself. This is the essence of transcending self-awareness, where the boundaries between the self and the act blur, weaving a tapestry where one doesn't merely perform, but becomes the embodiment of the action. These moments of transcendence are not exclusive realms of illustrious artists or extraordinary athletes. They are universal echoes that resonate with anyone who plunges into their endeavors with a heart ablaze with passion and a mind unclouded by distractions. What makes this state so extraordinary is the liberating freedom it bestows. Unshackled from the chains of self-judgment and liberated from the imagined scrutiny of others, our latent potential gracefully unfolds. Actions then stem not from a place of desire to dazzle or dominate, but flow from an authentic synchrony with our intrinsic nature. The mind blossoms into a vast expanse, from which creativity cascades with the effervescence of a boundless spring. In this potent state, many have expressed feeling an ethereal connection, a celestial choreography that transcends the confines of the self. Echoing Ralph Waldo Emerson's words, being authentic in a world incessantly trying to confine us to predefined molds is indeed a monumental triumph. In the realm of flow, this sentiment finds its profound resonance. Transcending self-consciousness isn't an act of self-erasure, but a profound journey of self-discovery. It allows a fleeting yet profound unveiling of our genuine selves, unmasked and unbound by societal conventions. These moments are not ephemeral flashes of insight, but illuminating beacons guiding us towards our innate essence. Recognizing and nurturing these instances creates a nurturing garden where such moments flourish. The Odyssey thus becomes about aligning one's existence and endeavors with this natural rhythm, fostering a state of harmonious flow where life transcends a mere succession of events, blossoming into a symphony of seamless and sublime coherence. Flow maintains in relationship with time. When time is engulfed in flow, clocks seem to lose their grip, and hours may feel like mere moments. This temporal distortion is not merely an illusion, rather it stands as a testimony to the profound engulfment experienced during genuine engagement. In states of deep immersion, the external world, with its persistent rhythms and ticking clocks, gently fades, granting one the grace to dwell wholly in the present moment. Such profound absorption paves the way for enriched experiences, painting every moment with vivid strokes of detail and depth. In this nuanced perception of time lies a subtle revelation about the essence of our existence. We often find ourselves in a relentless race against time, scurrying between obligations, scarcely pausing to breathe. Yet, in the embrace of flow, we find a gentle reminder of the supremacy of quality over quantity, underscoring that the essence lies not in the multitude of moments we have, but in the depth with which we live them. Nurturing experiences that invite us into the realm of flow signifies a deliberate choice to delve deeper into the fabric of life, savoring the richness inherent in each moment. So, how does one navigate this orchestration of time to foster a life imbued with effortless flow? It commences with a commitment to nurturing environments and engaging in activities that resonate with depth and focus. Prioritizing these experiences allows us to anchor ourselves firmly in the present, letting the shadows of the past and the echoes of the future momentarily dissolve. The enchantment resides not in eluding time, but in harmonizing with its fluid rhythms, recognizing in this dance our intrinsic capability to mold and shape our temporal experiences. Flow flourishes in the realm of immediate clarity and immediate response, where each action reverberates with a consequential reaction, guiding individuals along their paths. This principle of instantaneous feedback transcends mere information gathering. It infuses a rhythm, a harmonious tempo into our engagements. Similar to a dancer who gracefully synchronizes movements with the rhythmic pulses of music, individuals in a state of flow subtly adapt and refine their strategies, aligning with the feedback emanating from their actions. This direct feedback operates as a live compass, steering individuals to remain congruent with their objectives and envisioned destinations. The brilliance of this responsive loop lies in its capacity to pave a smoother avenue towards the realm of effortless flow. It serves as a steadfast anchor, safeguarding against significant deviations from one's course, ensuring a harmonized alignment with one's goals. Remaining receptive to feedback, whether emanating from external realms or internal cues, is essential. Such attunement allows for the implementation of subtle adjustments, mitigating the amplification of challenges and facilitating a smoother journey. This perpetual interplay of feedback and adjustment cultivates a harmonized synergy with one's tasks and surroundings. It nurtures an environment where actions and outcomes seamlessly intertwine in a continuous, effortless flow, enhancing the ease and joy experienced in life's various endeavors. In life's vast river, embodying flow is like being an adept captain, mastering the art of sailing, navigating through life's currents with assurance and expertise. Personal control within the realm of flow signifies a potent sense of directing one's actions harmoniously with aspirations and objectives. It doesn't inherently imply dominion over external occurrences, but rather signifies possessing the autonomy to react with proactiveness and intentionality. With this self-governance, one can sculpt their experiences, steering them towards outcomes that resonate with positivity and constructiveness, ensuring that life's tasks and adversities are not merely encountered, but are integrated into life's tapestry with harmony and purpose. For individuals aspiring to amplify this sense of mastery, the methodology of the 3 R's, recognize, reflect, and redirect, is profoundly valuable. Initially, it involves recognizing moments saturated with feelings of disarray or a lack of control, as awareness acts as the cornerstone of transformation. Subsequently, reflection is essential to delve into understanding the roots of these feelings, discerning the triggers, and illuminating the pathways of clarity. Lastly, the redirection phase encourages the channeling of one's energies and focus towards actions that resonate with envisioned outcomes and aspirations. Regular engagement with the 3 R's nurtures a robust sense of personal mastery, ensuring that amidst life's tumultuous and unpredictable waves, one can remain in a state of flow, navigating the journey of existence with a seamless ballet of effortless progression and alignment. Flow is not merely a fleeting state marked by peaks of efficiency. It stands as a powerful affirmation of a deeper truth, that often the journey itself is woven with the threads of the most significant rewards. When individuals immerse themselves deeply in tasks and challenges, harmonizing effortlessly with their innate skills and passions, the act of engagement itself blossoms as a wellspring of fulfillment. This harmonization eases the fixation on the destination, nurturing a garden where each moment, each stride, and every decision along the pathway are embraced with appreciation and mindfulness. In this embrace, every action weaves into a rhythmic dance of purpose and passion, making the journey's end a subtle accompaniment to the melodies of the journey itself. However, embracing such a perspective demands a thoughtful recalibration in a world often captivated by the allure of outcomes and ultimate objectives. Acknowledging the inherent worth embedded in the process emerges as a transformative realization. It invites a shifting of focus from the horizons of the future to the vibrant landscapes of the present, from pending aspirations to the unfolding blossoms of the now. This mindful embrace of the present, savoring each segment of the journey, unveils treasures often concealed within the journey's subtle contours and nuances. Flow thus transcends the ordinary realms of action, elevating it into a captivating artwork where the process, in its own rhythmic dance, blossoms into a bouquet of intrinsic rewards and fulfillments. Flow is not merely a mental state, it's a tapestry of life itself, a subtle force that breathes passion, ignites creativity, and transforms the ordinary into realms of extraordinary. In a universe where dreams are not mere pursuits but vibrant realities lived and breathed, these 8 characteristics shimmer as guiding stars. They are intricately woven into the fabric of everyday existence, emerging and blossoming effortlessly in the garden of life's expressions.